Hi guys and welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng cinnamon sugar bread. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, papaalsahin natin yung ating yeast. Dito sa ating warm milk, maglagay lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon ng sugar at haluin natin. Then, i-add na natin yung yeast. Haluin lang natin and we will leave this for 5 minutes and set aside. Dito sa ating stand mixer, inilagay ko na yung flour. At i-add na natin yung sugar, yung ating salt, at yung ating butter, softened butter. And ready na yung ating yeast. Maglagay lang tayo ng well sa gitna. At ilalagay na natin yung napaalsa nating yeast. I-add ko na rin yung 2 eggs at yung ating about 2 tablespoon ng warm water. And then using a hook attachment, imimix natin to on low speed. You can also do manual kneading sa recipe ito. Paki-check nyo na lang yung link sa description box for my ube pandesal recipe for manual kneading procedure. After a few minutes, ihinto lang natin. Using a spatula, i-scrape natin yung paikot sa gilid at dun sa ilalim para sa mga dumikit na flour. Then, continue lang natin ang pagmimix for 12 to 15 minutes. If your dough is too sticky, mag-add lang kayo ng 2 to 3 tablespoon ng flour. Dahan-dahan lang, tansyahin nyo lang. After 15 minutes, ready na yung ating dough. Pwede na natin itong i-remove sa ating hook attachment. At maglagay lang kayo ng flour sa kamay bago nyo tanggalin para hindi madikit. Transfer na natin ito sa isang worktop. Mag-dust muna tayo ng flour. At ita-transfer natin yung dough. Make sure na malinis yung inyong worktop. Then, ininid lang natin to by hand for about 2 minutes. Ang pag-dinid, kailangan i-press down nyo yung dough at the same time, ipupush nyo away from you. Pag yung dough nyo ay sticky pa rin, wag na kayo mag-add ng flour. Ang ginagamit ko, oil. A few drops of oil. And then, continue ko ang pag-ninid. Hanggang ma-absorb lang ng dough yung oil. After a few minutes ng kneading, i-check natin yung dough. Kuha lang tayo ng maliit na portion. I-stretch out natin. Pag hindi na siya napupunit, ready na yung ating dough. Bilugin lang natin yung dough to form a ball. Siksikin nyo lang. And then, using the bowl from the stand mixer, nilagyan ko lang ng konting oil. Then, transfer na natin yung dough facing down. Then, ibaliktarin nyo. Flip it over. Iko-cover lang natin to ng cling wrap or kung meron kayong damp cloth. We will leave this to rise for 1 hour hanggang mag-double in size. After 1 hour, nag-double in size na yung ating dough. Mag-dust lang ulit tayo ng flour dito sa ating worktop. At i-transfer na natin yung dough. Remove lang natin yung excess air by pressing it down using your fingers. Then, ika-cut natin yung dough into 2. I-set aside muna natin yung kalahati. Yung first half, i-flatten nyo lang using your hand. And then, mag-dust kayo ng flour dito sa ating rolling pin. And we will flatten it. Yung thickness niya, mga about 1/4 inch. And using a round cutter, ika-cut natin yung dough. So, ganito kakapal. Then, set aside muna natin to. I-transfer muna natin yung dough sa isang tray lined with parchment paper. At continue lang natin yung pag-cut ng dough. Ganitong napagtabasan, hihiwain lang natin to ng maliliit, mga bite size. So, smaller portion, gagawa tayo. Then, transfer uli natin to dun sa ating tray with parchment paper. Continue lang natin yung other half. Same procedure. Ayan, nakatapos na ako ng isang tray. Tatakpan lang natin to ng cling wrap or damp towel. Then we will leave this to rise for another 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, umalsa na yung ating dough at nag-double in size na. Preheat na tayo ng oil dito sa ating saucepan at ipiprito na natin yung bread on low heat. Iprito lang natin to hanggang maging golden brown. Pag nag-brown na yung kabilang side, balik na rin naman natin. And then, continue lang natin ng pagprito dito sa kabilang side. Diinan nyo lang na spatula yung bread kasi bumabalik siya. Ayan, luto na yung ating bread. Transfer lang natin ito sa isang plate with the paper towel to absorb yung excess oil. And then, continue lang natin yung rest ng ating bread. Tignan naman natin yung mga napagtabasan. Same procedure. Iprito nyo lang hanggang maging golden brown. Ito na rin. Transfer na rin natin sa isang plate with paper towel. Sa ating cinnamon sugar. Dito sa ating sugar, i-add na natin yung cinnamon. Haluin lang natin to. And lastly, i-roll na natin yung naprito nating bread dito sa ating cinnamon sugar. Make sure na well-coated yung ating bread. And transfer lang natin to sa ating serving plate. Ito naman yung maliliit. And there you have it, our cinnamon sugar bread. Nakagawa ako ng 16 pieces ng malalaki at marami yung maliliit na pinagtabasan. So, sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.